best you can. Good enough. Alright, well there's the front part. Oh, I got juice all over everything, didn't I? Clean my mirrors, make them nice and shiny. Alright, we'll do the mid fairings. Got the fronts and the tops. Here's the mid fairings. Let's just get all these screws here. Yeah, might as well take both of them. Hopefully that don't fall over. Don't like it when I scratch stuff. Start in the front. You got these little, they just kind of fit in the grooves, more or less. And you work your way back. Come on. Come on. Kind of got to work it and then hold it. There it goes. She's fit in there. See, when you snap it in, it'll just stay by itself. The center one has the metal collar on it. And then one on each side is just a regular screw. I'll just start those and then I'll get the other side. Same thing, start in the front. Just kind of pop it in there. You shouldn't have to force anything if you do it right. Of course you hear all that popping, which sounds like I'm forcing stuff on it, but I'm not really putting too much pressure on it. Why does that feel loose yet? Oh, I know why, because once you get that inner, it just doesn't look right. It's in there though. I think that front piece, we get that underside in there, that'll help hold all that together. Center one's got the metal collar. Come on. Oh, I'm not very good with my left hand. There it goes. One on the front, one on the back. Tighten these down. I still don't like the looks of that, but that's in there. You don't want to tighten these fairing screws up real tight. Make sure that the plastic pops over the little metal bushing. The middle one you can kind of tighten a little more, but these ones that just go into the little rubber nut plates, you just want them snug. They'll stay in there. Whoops. Okay, those three are tight. Get these three on this side. Middle one tighter than the other ones. Snug on those. Good. Okay, we got two more. One on the bottom on each side. And then we also have these two pop rivet ones here that just hold the two halves together. So, I hope I didn't give those to Selbert. Darn it. Oh, here they are. So one big fat one. And one pop pin. That should leave 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yep, and one screw for this inner piece. Reset these. Reset these. I'll get the bottom one first. I think. Tell me what you stink. Lay down under here and look at it. Make sure I got it. There it goes. Push that in, nice and flush. Turn the wheel. Put this through that hole, and it pops in there flush. Good to go. I'll get those 2 back screws, which I took off earlier, if you remember, from the race bearings. Put this side in. The other side I use washers. Come on, start. Oh, there it goes. Kickstand's working. I'm going to use those washers on this side. It's aftermarket exhaust. It gets awful close to my lower fairing. So I just stick a couple of washers behind it. And it does work. You don't notice them. Gives it a little distance. The screw still has plenty of threads in there. I don't know if you can see it, but it leaves a gap between my muffler and my lower fairing. Yeah, it's kind of a Rube Goldberg thing, but here's my USB cable. I ran it down here. It worked good at the racetrack this weekend. It's a rat's nest in here, though. I really should do better wire management under this seat. You don't want anything chafing. I don't know if I want to leave that. I might as well leave it down there instead of bringing it up under the rear seat like I had before. So, don't need that. Let's put this little doomer back in. 1 screw and 8 pop pins. And this is easier to do off of the stand, and preferably with a little flashlight. And here's my little flashlight. You can kind of see up in here. Just slips up in. You want to be careful in the front here. It just kind of slips into some grooves. Make sure you got it all in the grooves. There. You know what? I can't remember. I always do this wrong. I think I have to pop this little tab in first. Yeah, let me pull it back out. Pop the tab in first. Yep, there it goes. And it just snaps in. Alright. I'll put the screw in first before you put the pop pins in. Turn your wheel so you can reach it. And it just, I don't know if you can see it or not, but just screws straight up into the front. That's in. Then you got your 8 pop pins and it's in. You just reset the pin, push the little thing up through the top, stick it in the hole, push it till it's flush. There's 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's one up underneath. Right there. 4 on the other side. I think I lost one. Yeah, where'd it go? I know I counted 8 over there. Oh, there it is. There we go. And that's pretty much it. Front should be about done, I think. We can put the stand back up. There's really not anything to this at all. Especially after done it a couple times, there's just nothing to it. Push that back over. Alright. What do we got left? Not a whole lot. I should make the tail section another video. I'm going to do that. I'll stop this and do the tail section in another one.